Case 3 of MS subject on UPS competes globally with information technology. Case studies questions. What are the inputs, processing and output of UPS package tracking system? The answer will be like this. Inputs. The inputs are detailed information, customer information, package information, pickup delivery, current location, barcoded label, a special software program by using the UPS website. Now processing. All the information are transmitted through to a center computer, distribution center, logistic planning, DIDA program which was their drivers had been handled delivery information. Acquisition device called UPS Net. DA is collected from scannable label on packages and changing schedules. Now outputs. UPS serve tools that able to a customer which is CISCO Cisco system to include UPS functions such as tracking and cost calculation into their own website. Destination, on the way, pickup and delivery schedule. Now question number 2. What technologies are used by UPS? How are these technology related to UPS business strategy? Everything is firstly started about scannable barcoded label. It is the main thing that they use their daily work. Also, customers know fully detailed information about their shipment, which contains complete information about the center, location of where it must go, and date of shipment should have arrived. If sender wants to get information about the package, they can go to company's website and download and print it out before the package is picked up. Information transmitted to two main servers, Manva NI or Alphetra GA, and sent to nearest distribution centers of its final destination. Dispatchers of these centers received the information, use the special software plan the most efficiency delivery way to each driver to consider of traffic and weather conditions. UPS drivers use their daily work activities, handheld computer name delivery information acquisition device DIDA, which can access wireless network. Driver once he or she log in daily routes downloaded onto their device. The DIDA automatically captures customer signatures according pickup and delivery information. Package tracking process is then transmitted to UPS main server and storage on it. From there, information can be accessed to the worldwide. To provide proof of delivery to customers or to respond customer questions, process takes only 60 seconds and new information throughout DIDA to be available on the UPS site. In 2009, UPS launched new program called Web-Based Post Sales Order Management System OMS, was designed to global shipping services to provide service dangerous shipment such as high-tech electronics, aerospace, medical equipment, and any other company's critical shipment on inventory to fully responsibility. This technology involved company's mottos, the best service and lowest rates. They implement best service strategy. DIDA helps make it work easier and quicker for the both sides, customer and company staff. It saves time, collect the all information, make it compete. As for the company side, dispatchers schedule way routes, traffic or weather conditions, and notice the drivers. According to this information, drivers can make their works more efficiently. Company mainly focused on their high level of customer satisfaction. Customers can easily go to the company's website and to get complete information about the packages. All the packages are insured. UPS approximately expend 1 billion USD in a year. Customer satisfaction guarantee for their customer while reducing cost low. Question number 3. What strategic business objective do UPS information system address? The answer will be like this. UPS has a several business objective. They are scannable barcode at first. One of the MIS business strategy objective. This system's objective is to use time more efficiently and use low labor force in classify the packages destination and reduce human error in classification that will reduce the cost. It means by reducing cost they can keep up the lowest rate. Second one is in delivering UPS uses a special software that help drivers to take the most efficient routes to deliver the package. Plus, this system consider the traffic and weather conditions. The third one is DIDA. Every driver has a every driver has device that has information about at automatically captures customer's signature along pickup and delivering information from UPS central computer. Every deliver persons can access information about the package and customer can check the package it delivered or not. Also, the signature that form the delivery will be proof sender can check it. Next one is Cisco system. Cisco system. Cisco system contains the customer can know about their packages information, more details such as shipping rates, determine time in transit, print levels, schedule of pickup and track packages. Those actions can get the high technology to the centers and each can reduce the time losing. They can check their tracking and cost calculations and shipments cost without the UPS site. And the last one is OMS, advanced delivering system that takes packages from the warehouse of companies and delivers their fulfillment part of equipment more quickly within the efficient routes. The next question is what would happen if UPS information system were not available? Answer. If UPS information system were not available, then the following things should be happen. The first one is customers or senders. If they were not available for IS information system, the customer will decrease faster. Sender wants to choose the good one which has high proof and information system and easy to understand system. The next one is global delivering. For the in other countries, it will be difficult to set their packages. They will not know how is going to their packages. It means no information about their packages. The next one is saving cost. Maybe it will be good to save saving cost for the company. They do not need to enough employees and machines. Time losing. Those systems always give the information about their packages for the company. It is one of the advantage. But if they has nothing, then the company can lose their time. At lastly, UPS will not be successful as today. MIS in action. Explore the UPS website www.ups.com and answer the following questions. The first question is, what kind of information and services does the website provide for individuals, small business and large business? List these services. The UPS offers many various services for the customer because their mission is the best choice service and lower rate. That also consumer always wants to more creative and useful things from the business world. That's why they look for opportunities, more convenient services and products for their customer with advanced technology system. For example, website provided a special software program. You can use this software for detailed information about sender, barcoded label, attach the destination, when the package should arrive, and you can download or print out this label. The second one is DIDA. DIDA is one of the biggest efficient services. It will be so you package tracking information and option for the language. The third one is check delivery routes, which calculate shipping rates and determine time in transit, print levels, schedule of pickup and track packages. The data collected at the UPS website are transmitted to the UPS central computer and then back to the customer after processing. The last one is web-based post-sales order management system, global time, critical services, advanced equipment, professional communication and good tracking. The next one question is, go to the business solution portion of the UPS website, browse the UPS business solutions by category such as shipment, delivery, returns or international trade, and write a description of all the services UPS provides for one of these categories. Explain how a business would benefit from these services. The answer will be like this. UPS has several categories such as shipment, delivery, returns and international trade, that all of those categories can get more benefit for the company's business. We choose the shipment, delivery and wrote about these categories, benefit and their description. They delivered more than 60 million packages and documents every day. That is 2% of the world's GDP. So, shipping already became important needs from businesses. For the global shipping, UPS has more experience that can reach new customer and providers internationally easily. Their mission is take your business in any direction with assured worldwide delivery. Any business person need to arrive as quickly as possible. The UPS company good at understanding senders' need. They more focused on time, express services, time in transit, and destination of countries. Also, they use supply chain demands, freight solution well, UPS shipping tools and technologies create efficiency, centralize control cost and increase productivity. Most importantly, they give you more time to spend on your core business. Some customers want shipment with critical part of their business. For this situation, UPS can relate them and get their shipments as quickly as possible without error. Keep your customers informed and analyze your shipping history. Also, one of the service of the shipments, that is WorldShip, enables you to process shipments easily, remain compliant, and reduce costly errors. The window based software is available in 20 languages and 136 origin countries. Business is better when system communicates. Making a good first impression is easy with world-class UPS services working for you. Good impression mean more client in new market for your business and faster growth around the world. International trade include customer brokerage. UPS is one of the largest customer broker. They have highly experienced logistic experts of customers customs international trade. Keep your shipment through customs across the worldwide. The next one is tools and technology. UPS import controls that make imports actions more clear, understandable. UPS paperless invoice. During these days, invoice papers documents are too much. They using huge amount of papers. UPS use new softwares instead of using papers. It is eco-friendly action. Next one is Trade Direct. UPS eliminated unnecessarily warehouse stops, make the shipment process faster. Any freight, ocean, air, and ground logistic speed is faster than any other freight companies. The next one is World Ease. UPS supply chain make one movement multi-destination strategy, especially in use European Union EU. There are many countries but one borders. It can reduce steps of procedure. The next one is worldwide express freight. UPS Air Freight Express can deliver your package within only 1 to 3 days around the world. One thing that you remind is it you must be at least 70 kg or heavier. Question number 3. Explain how the website helps UPS to achieve some or all of the strategic business objectives. We described earlier in this chapter what would be the impact on UPS business if this website were not available. The answer will be like this. If this website would not be available, it would be a problem for the company because it is one of the most important tools which gives to the company a competitive advantage and an opportunity to be more competitive, respect the competitors. His website is not only to give basic information to the society, it also has a purpose to be near the customer and suppliers because this internet platform help them to make new orders from UPS and to know where your packets are. Thank you.